Without the right safety procedures, cutting operations with a chainsaw can be extremely dangerous. This program will look at the cutting safety procedures used to reduce the risk to the chainsaw operator. It is intended for those who already have a strong knowledge of the safe operation basics, such as personal safety equipment, the components of the chainsaw, safe fueling and refueling practices, safe handling of the chainsaw, and basic safe operation of the chainsaw. These practices must be used in any chainsaw operation. There are a variety of timber cutting tasks that can be undertaken using a chainsaw. However, the ones that this program will cover are limbing, cross-cutting or bucking, ripping, and felling. Limbing, otherwise known as trimming, is when the chainsaw is used to remove branches and other material from the trunk of a tree. Cross-cutting or bucking is the process of cutting either the trunk or heavy branch material into manageable sections. While cross-cutting cuts across the grain, ripping acts as an alternative and cuts in the same direction as the grain. Felling is the process of cutting a standing tree so that it falls flat to the ground. This technique can also be known as falling. During any cutting procedure, the operator must be aware of the reactive forces which happen when using a chainsaw. When cutting the underside of the guide bar, the reactive force pulls the chain toward the timber. When cutting with the top side of the guide bar, the reactive force pushes the chain towards the operator. Kickback may occur when the upper tip of the nose of the guide bar contacts another log or branch. This momentarily stalls the chain.